this is a complete beginner's guide on how you guys can start using Cash App. Now, for those people who do not know Cash App is an app which you can use to transfer money to each other, okay? So if you want to create a Cash App account, you cannot do it from browser. You need to download the app of Cash App, which you can easily find on your App Store or Play Store. Download and open it, and you will see the option of creating or logging in. Click on create account, and you can create a Cash App account using your phone number or your email. Now, once you have created your account, you can just do this Cash App login. Once you search for this, you can click on this. It'll take you to the login page from where you can log in into your Cash App and open Cash App in your browser just like this. Now, if you have a Cash App account and you want to order yourself a Cash App card, what you can do is this. Click on money. Once you're in the money section, scroll a bit down and you can see the option called cash card. Now I have already ordered myself a cash card, so I cannot order again. But if you haven't ordered yourself, it's going to show you an order cash card option over here, which you can click to order yourself a Cash App card. You need to fill up your address and all those details, then only it's going to be delivered to you. That's how we guys can get Cash App card. Now if you want to add your bank account in Cash App, you need to do this. Go on where it says account and then click on linked bank. Once you click on linked bank, if you want to link bank account in your Cash App, first you need to link debit card. So since I haven't linked debit card in my account, it's asking me to do that. Once I link a debit card, there's going to be an option called the link bank account. Then I can click on link bank account, then only I can link bank account on Cash App. But that's how we guys can do it. If you want to link a debit card, it's pretty simple. Just come to the same place. Inside link bank, click on link debit card, enter your debit card information over here, and click on continue, and if the information you entered is correct, your debit card will be linked. And if you want to remove your debit card as well, you need to do the same thing. Just come on account, linked bank, and your debit card which is linked over here is going to be displayed. You can click on the debit card and then it's going to show you two options: change, remove. You want to click on remove, your debit card will be removed. And if you want to change your debit card, you need to click on the option called change, and it's going to ask you to enter your new debit card's information. After you enter your new debit card's information, your old debit card will be removed and your newer one will be placed, because you can only use one debit card or you can only link one debit card at a time on Cash App. So the moment you enter a new debit card, your older will be automatically removed. Okay, now that's how we guys can change a debit card, add a debit card, or how we guys can add a bank account in Cash App. Now, if you want to send money in Cash App, you need to click on pay and request over here. Once you click on pay and request, if you want to pay somebody, first enter the amount you want to pay, and then enter the person's name over here. And here enter the person's name. Now if you don't know their name, you can enter their cash tag or their phone number or their email. You have multiple options. So let's say I want to pay this person. I'm going to click on his name. Once you enter the person's name over here, you can write a note if you want to. If you don't want to, you can leave it empty. And over here you can choose account, which means which method, which card, which bank you want to use to pay the person. Now I haven't linked anything, so it's empty. But after you choose the method of payment, click on pay, and the $100 or whatever amount you wrote over here is going to be paid to this person. Now if you want to ask for money from other person, you need to go on the request panel. Under request panel, enter the amount of money you want to request and enter the person's name from whom you want to request the money from. And over here, if you want to add a note, you can. If you don't, you can leave it empty. And just click on request, and a request for $100 will be sent to this person. So I have written 100, so $100 will be requested. So whatever amount you wrote, that is going to be requested. So that is how we guys can request money on Cash App and how we guys can send money on Cash App. Now for those people who do not know what cash out means on Cash App basically means the money which is on your Cash App is going to be transferred into your bank account. Now you can only transfer money from one Cash App to another. If you want to transfer money from Cash App into another person's bank account, you cannot do that. So in that case, what you need to do is cash out, which means let's say I had $100 available balance on my Cash App account. I could cash it out. Once I cashed it out, it will be transferred into my bank account. Once it's transferred into my bank account from my bank, I can transfer it to wherever I want, or I can even withdraw it from my ATM. So that is basically what cash out means in Cash App, okay? Now if you want to change your name on Cash App, it's also pretty simple. You can just go on account, and over here you will see an option called basic info. Click on it, and inside you will see full name. Click on edit, and then you can edit your name into whatever you want and click on save, and your name will be changed on Cash App. Now if you want to change your Cash App pin as well, it's pretty simple. You just want to go in security and privacy, and over here you can see the option called change Cash App pin. Click on it, and it's going to ask you to enter your current Cash App pin. So first enter that. Once you enter your current PIN, you can enter a new PIN. After you enter a new PIN, your PIN on Cash App will be changed into the newer one. So that's how we guys can do it. And if you forgot your Cash App PIN and you want to change it, it's simple as well. Do the same thing, just click on change Cash App PIN, but this time click on forget PIN, and it's going to show you the process through which you guys can recover it. It's going to send a verification code to your mail or your phone number. Just enter that code over here, click on continue, and you will be able to recover it. Now, if you want to delete your Cash App account, you cannot do it through the browser version. You need to have the app, okay? So go inside Cash App on your phone, log in into your account, and follow these steps. Just open your Cash App. Now, once you open Cash App, at the top right corner, you will see your profile icon, which means your profile picture of Cash App. Click on it. From inside there, you will see the support option. Click on the support option. From inside support, you need to click on the something else option. And once you're inside something else, you need to scroll until you find account setting. From inside account setting, you will see delete your personal information option. You need to click on that. And from there, it's going to take you to the place where you guys can delete your Cash App account. So these are all the beginner things which you need to know if you want to start using Cash App. I hope you understand how you guys can do it. If you guys found our video helpful, then subscribe to our channel for more beginner friendly videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.